It is I, Stephon, with the Miami Children's Museum Theatre Troupe. Today, we are going to be reading a story written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. In this book, you'll meet Larry and Larry's button. Now, we have strict rules to not push the button. No matter what, we cannot push the button. Deal? Deal. Okay, let's cozy on up and read Don't Push the Button.
Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't. Psst. No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Ah! Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Ah! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Almost. A little more. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Oh, that tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes.
The end. That was Don't Push the Button by Bill Cotter. Thank you for joining me for another story time. Until next time, see you later.